Today we're breaking down one of the season's most dramatic weather events, a polar vortex that's bringing bone-chilling temperatures to parts of the United States, Canada, and Europe. The term polar vortex describes a massive circular wind pattern high up in the Arctic. Under normal conditions, this vortex acts like a natural barrier, confining the coldest air near the North Pole. But sometimes pieces of this frosty giant break off or drift southward, letting unusually cold air spill into lower latitudes while milder weather takes its place up north. This week marks the 10th and coldest polar vortex event of the season. The combined forces of Arctic weather patterns are pushing frigid air deep into the United States and even across the Atlantic into Europe. With record snowfall hitting New Orleans last month and severe drought along with wildfires battering Southern California, it's clear that this winter is anything but typical. Starting this Sunday, a new wave of the cold outbreak is forecast to sweep across the northern and central plains for several days. In some areas of North Dakota, wind chills have already dropped to a staggering minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit, and parts of Montana have seen temperatures dip to minus 50 degrees Fahrenheit. And hold on tight, forecasters warn that Tuesday morning could see even lower wind chills. These extreme conditions pose serious risks. Prolonged exposure can lead to frostbite, hypothermia, and even burst water pipes. Experts point to our warming world as a key factor in these disruptions. A warmer Arctic releases extra energy into the atmosphere, fueling waves that can break up the polar vortex. This means that while we're seeing a bitter, record-breaking winter in parts of the United States, the broader global trend still points to an overall rise in average temperatures. In fact, January just set another monthly heat record, the 18th out of the last 19 months to hit or exceed the international warming limit of 1.5 degrees Celsius above pre-industrial levels. As this polar vortex event unfolds, nearly every state, except Hawaii, California, and Florida, is expected to face wind chills at or below 20 degrees Fahrenheit at some point next week. Remember, strong winds can make the bitter cold feel even more intense, so it's essential to stay informed and take precautions if you're heading outdoors. That wraps up our look at this season's polar vortex. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a Viral Vault update. Stay safe, keep warm, and we'll catch you in the next video.